Hey, if you want to add payment card into your Poco F8 Ultra, first of all, you have to start by opening Google Play Store and you have to check if you have the latest version of Google Wallet. So just input wallet phrase like this, go to the Google Wallet. If there's update button, just update this one. Now you will have to open this one, then click to view wallet, accept all of those permissions, and you have to click to add payment card. Now, as you can see, you got two options. You can just scan the details of your card by inputting this card like so. For some reason, it doesn't actually scan everything, so I have to manually, rewrite all of those information, the year and the security code. But there's also another option. You can just enter the details manually, everything like this. So if you don't want to scan, for example, you've got bad lighting condition or something is not working, you can just do this manually. And once you actually do this, the card will be available as default. And that's pretty much it for this video. Now, once you actually open this application, you can just put your phone to the payment device and it will just scan your card automatically. But you can also add like some pass ticket or some other cards. So there's a lot of options that you can use. Here, take a look, the payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find it useful.